everybody, welcome to my channel. Today backing up and doing a card from Papercraft Society box number 31, which was the Mental Health Awareness Month one by Lou Withers and the Great Mixed Media one. So I'm going to make an A2 size card. I have some of the sort of cardstock that comes in the kit. I went ahead and I took the templates, these fun oval, they reminded me of bird feathers, and so I traced on one of the papers you get. I traced them out, and then I went around with just a, you could use whatever marker you have just to kind of give it some bold standout. So I was thinking I would kind of make tail feathers out of those, like that sort of thing. This would be the body. The head would be one of these little tiny ones here. And then I can draw on a beak. And I don't know, I thought it would be fun and quirky, so I was going to give it a go. So it's in your box. And by the way, if you have boxes, go to the link that in Craft World, I think it's craftworld.com/cmf/papercraft-society.com, I think. And you can get some more free downloadable papers, so that's nice. So you don't have to feel like you use it up. I know for sure this one's in there. That's one of my favorite ones. So it's nice you can print those off again and not have to feel like you're hoarding them. So I'm going to stamp these two on here. So let's set that aside. Just get my black VersaFine ink out, or you could use whatever black ink you have. Turned out fine. Got a baby wipe here. And then this little one will be our head of sorts. Almost looks like an eye. There, see that? You just kind of wiggle. I am not a fussy cutting champ. I do what I can. So let's start to assemble. And before we do, I might do a bit of a wash behind here, just to give it a little zhuzh. Just a hint of something behind there. I don't want to warp the paper because I don't think this is very strong paper per se, but just to give a background. Okay. And by the way, I have this cut down to 5 1/4 by 4, so it will mat on an A2 size. So just giving it a little background. I'm going to start piecing together our little, I think we need to be all the way kind of right down the middle with that one. And we have the body, and that's going to go there. And slightly tuck it behind there. Then I'm going to get my marker, and this is a really small one. Let's see. Give some feet and the little things that stick up. Put the little balls on top. It's kind of funny. These are Posca pens. They're filled with acrylic paint. Maybe even color in. And just to tie in that white, I think I'm going to give those a little something. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, little something different. Darker. Oh, we need a beak. That would be a bummer, huh? So maybe we'll come off. So a few little simple drawing lines and you have yourself a bird. So to back it, let's see, just to give a little hint of color like that. And I want to be careful. I think I'm going to put it on here because I don't want to smudge my bird. Very carefully. Straight up. Okay. Cute. I have a pre-made card base I'm going to use here just to go ahead and give that an extra sturdy element. You could add sparkly whatevers to it. Again, being very careful. You could stamp on the inside. Like there's this border stamp. Let's see. Right there. So if you don't want to use the whole thing or can't, don't have the space. And then, yeah. To dry. And there you have it. I'm going to gently not close that all the way. A little put together peacock card from box number 30. What did we say that was? Box number 31 or 32? The Lou Withers box. That was the one before this last Olga one. And I wanted to get in there and make a card with that because I don't think I had done that yet. Anyway, guys, I hope that is inspiring for you and gives you a little tip and trick. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.